Hey everybody, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is my Singer sewing machine. This is the heavy duty 4423 sewing machine model. In this heavy duty model, the interior construction is mostly metal, which definitely provides stability and durability, makes this machine able to handle even heavier fabrics like denim and canvas. It has 23 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches, so this machine gives plenty of options for creativity, and it has a one-step buttonhole feature that makes it really simple to create perfect buttonholes. One of the really impressive things about this machine is that it can stitch up to 1,100 stitches per minute, allowing you to complete projects quickly and efficiently. The top drop-in bobbin system is easy to load thanks to the transparent cover, and it's also combined with an automatic needle threader, saving you time and frustration and making setup a breeze. This machine also comes with a range of different accessories, including presser feet, needles, and bobbins. So whether your skills are beginner or more advanced, I think that this is going to be a great machine for you. Not only do you get to rely on that durable metal construction of this heavy-duty model, but it also has a very fast and powerful motor, as well as a lot of different stitch options, so you can unleash your creativity. And that is my point of view.